Yorana, aloha, and hello, everybody. So, my 8 week Ori online course has officially come to an end, and I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has signed up and danced with me throughout the 8 weeks. If you missed out on the live classes, do not worry. I still have all 8 recordings still available to purchase. Here's a little glimpse of what you'll be experiencing if you do sign up for my 8 week Ori online course. Two. Yes. Uri! Make sure your knees at a nice 90-degree. And go! Whether you are trying to find a fun way to stay active, have a good workout, or even dance in the comfort of your own home, you can now complete the whole entire program at your own pace on your own schedule. This is perfect for anybody who has a busy schedule, so you could just click play whenever you have the time. So if you are interested, just click the link in my bio to sign up, and I cannot wait to dance with you. And again, thank you to everybody who has signed up. I am so happy to see all of your progress throughout the weeks, and I'm so excited to dance with you guys again. Bye. Mahalo.